So today, on my way to Blahodatne with the sunflower project. So I'm going to go and just do a survey on a house that's going to be rebuilt. So they're waiting for me. I've got the equipment. So yeah, I think there's a journalist as well that's with us from America. So he's doing some work on the sunflower project. So these are my friends who I've been friends with since the beginning of the full-scale invasion. That's Kevin in the lead car, and we do have one behind as well, which is Oro, who you met previously with the rescue of the demon cat. You've got sunflowers on that side, and on that side there isn't any. You can't really see, it's not the best footage, but one general rule of thumb around here is that wherever the sunflowers are, that's where the mines aren't. So wherever there's no sunflowers on agricultural land, tends to be the fact that they've not demined it yet. So this field to the left of it is full of mines, it's full of markings on the side. So, but when I came here last time, if you remember, when I came to Blahodatne, I did say there was some DS&S, and they was actually in the process of doing a survey on this side. So, from what I could see anyway. So this is the house we're assessing. The guy's going to be rebuilding it. Got the lads down there. I brought them some cheese, so I'll show you in a minute the cheese.
Matt,
Oro.
what's up? Thanks for bringing some proper English cheese.
Yes, thank you. I don't know if I ate the one you meant for me, but we ate some anyway.
So we've got the chili cheese.
Oh man.
Mm-hmm.
The Wensleydale.
You know, you can get a lot of good
farmhouse
things out
tasting
here,
Cheese here is not the greatest.
Not the
Montes
greatest.
Mature. Crumbly Lancashire. I don't actually like that.
I don't know if I've ever tried that one.
Extra mature.
Well,
That was
the one
yours.
that was the one I
wasn't
should
it?
have gone after.
Yeah.
No, well, it'll be next.
It's called Tickler.
Nice.
Tickler.
I've got some crackers as well. In the suitcase. Yeah.
Dumont.
He's our translator, engineer, everything.
I will wear balaclava, and after you will do like that.
So, if you remember when that lady showed me
The same day.
in the outhouse, that was it. So yeah, I've just took that out. It was pretty safe to move. It's been fired. It's just a shell really, but it's another one moved. Just waiting for the builder guys to come because they're doing the rebuild on the house, but we just don't know which house it is. So I just thought I'd get rid of that piece of munition that I didn't move the other week. Found another mortar shell, spent. It's a carrier, so it's not high explosive, but if we look, it's just empty inside. Nothing there, so it's safe to move. So we'll be taking that with us. Yeah, she's been mixing the cement in the cart, and that's my shovel that she stole the other week. So put a sheet on the roof. The guys are just going to try and rebuild this for the winter because it's going to get really cold. I'll just come and show you the rocket. So yeah, same again. As you can see how solid it is. Just managed to get it out. So these guys are going to be rebuilding this house. Just finished clearing for today, so I'll just show you what we've got. Two of them, so yeah, it's been a day of digging, so it's been quite warm as well. But at least they're taken away now. They'll be taken by me to the SNS and they'll be destroyed. They're just in the next village, so you know, it's just less things for people to worry about. It's 5 more things less for people to worry about in this village. And also Andy and his team can start rebuilding one of the houses, so they're going to be rebuilding that and that one there. So they're hoping to have that complete by winter. Full rebuild. So happy days. It's another job well done. Obviously tomorrow we're back in the minefield, so yeah. Thank you for supporting us, and you know, like I said before and like I always say, you know, fighting wars isn't always firing guns. It's you know, sometimes it's just supporting, sharing, liking, just commenting, and if you can do that, I'd be really grateful. So thank you.